In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your private playlist public on Spotify app. When you make your playlist public, it means you can share it publicly with others and others will be able to access your playlist. So I have a playlist that I had made private and I'd like to go ahead and make it public. The first thing I need to do is to go ahead and identify the playlist by tapping on your library here. And as you can see, I have here two playlists. I have this and this. If I go ahead and tap on it, you can see it has a lock, meaning it is locked only to me and the people that I invite. However, I'd like to go ahead and unlock this so that it is available to the public. To do so, go ahead and tap on these three dots here, and then scroll down and you'll see this option called Make Public. Go ahead and tap on it, and now playlist is now public. You can see now the padlock has been removed and therefore this playlist is now public. So that's how you make a private playlist public on Spotify app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.